starting to unleash their fury on the other. The batsman isn't happy. He thinks he's got some bat on that and might want a review. Despite the appeal, that's a tough call. The umpire calls for a close-up. The third umpire is keenly checking the hot spot. This could be a close one. And no edge detected. Some tough weather today. Play might be suspended due to bad light. Good effort, leaves the ball this time. The batsman opting to play it safe on that one. No runs. Tough opposition for the batting side in this outfield. Great line and length once again. No runs off that one. The batsman might be in trouble here. He has to push to stay. The batsmen are looking straight up, but it looks like we're in for a wet one, folks. He knows every run stopped counts. Nicely sent back with a strong flexing action. Took the pace off the ball with that brilliantly timed dive. The umpires are having a chat about the weather. Quite a bit of murky cloud cover out there, and this might put a dampener on things. The bowler goes for one last. A cloud burst has the players scurrying off to the pavilion. The rain gods have decided to send their greetings. The players run off and the covers come on. The clouds have dried up and it's back. It looks like rain and Duckworth-Lewis won't affect our spirits today. And the first innings will be played in full. The crowd looks happy with that. That's given out by the umpire. The batsman looks really unhappy with the decision. The batsman has decided to review this. That's some clever bowling from the bowler. The ball struck right in front of his leg. It's an all-out attack from the bowling. Another batsman bites the dust. A safe pair of hands from the fielder. He's on a hat-trick now. Sensational stuff. There's no quarter for the batsman. Another scalp collected. Steps out his front foot and defends that beautifully. The batsman looks really unhappy with the decision. The third umpire has been asked for. Too fine a call to make on sight. He's caught some wood, it would seem. The look on his face says he knows it. That's a spot of bother for the batting team. We're going to need some sharper ears to be sure. Ultra edge detected. An unfortunate nick and he's gone. Some good bowling there to nab that one. It doesn't seem to be timed well. And it's gone for a four. What a way to bring up the victory. A back and forth contest of wills that has left one side triumphant. What a match. An outstanding performance with the bat and a well-deserved award for man of the match.